And one of the most important values is independence. Professional and ethical journalists should report information independent from any interference from government, from politicians, and also from commercial or financial interests. I got into that a little bit when I talked about Wirecutter. It would be unethical for the people at Wirecutter to promote a product like the Google Pixel 7, if they were getting money from Google. And that could be advertising money, or maybe it could be ownership. So something that we can think about, for example, is Disney owns ABC, and ABC has news organizations. Are they able to fully report on um, Disney as a company? What if there was a scandal at Disney? Um, would they be able to report on that independently, since they're owned by Disney? Professional ethical journalists, really the primary obligation should be to your public. And I want to leave you with this. Reporters Without Borders um, has an annual listing of what they call it's a world index of free press, and they rate countries based off of how free their press is. And they rate it based off of their freedom from both politics and commercial interests. So you can see that the top ones are Norway, Ireland, Denmark, Sweden, and Finland. You notice that, well, in the red there, Russia is one of the least free presses in the world, which probably doesn't surprise you. But also notice that in the top marks is not the United States. And that's because, for a lot of the reasons we were just talking about, because for one thing, a lot of the top media companies are owned by just a few wealthy companies or just a few wealthy people. And so there is some commercial interest there as well. So just something to think about as you navigate your digital context as a consumer, and as you write, thinking about how to be fair, how to be balanced, how to, take the public's interest into account, take your audience into account, and trying to be as accurate as you possibly can.